Come on. Hopefully it's not overcooked. Prove your chef skills today, boy. Floyd. Especially with that.
I've got some Dijon mustard. Dijon, yeah. And then,
No.
couldn't say if you read it, and it's like watching a movie where someone's told you.
Probably better idea than it. It's so old school, bro. You're eating anything.
I don't know.
Yeah, just like simply. Very cool.
Dude.
What's up, man? You see me? What's up? What's the camera angle looking like?
Oh, it's looking good. It's mighty fine.
Mighty fine.
Mighty fine.
Boy, where's your Ben Dean hoodie at, man?
Oh shit, let me get that on. I'll be back. Dean?
Yeah, can you read it? Your
Ben
Korean-
Dean?
Yeah, your
Yeah,
Korean
if there's anything I can read in
Is it?
Korean, it's Ben
Better
Dean.
be.
Yes,
Nice piece of meat. That is a nice piece of meat. So we got the beef fillet wrapped, seared, and then wrapped in this ham right here.
Yeah.
This is a mix of like
Mushroom duck cell. So basically these are only here to absorb the juice from the meat. So your pastry stays really crispy.
that is looking wild, man. God dang.
You're gonna learn today.
That looks crazy. Looks like you got a lot of experience rolling. Rolling some joints back again.
To be fair, it's gonna be real big. Like when everything's on and it's done, it's gonna be huge.
We gotta roll it again.
Roll it again.
And then roll it again.
With what? With what? I thought that was the final stage.
No, so now we need to sell it and cling film again. So you get like the perfect round.
Damn, boy. That's a thick boy.
Where is that?
That's just with the crepe. When the pastry goes on, it's gonna be even bigger.
Wait, what's the? I thought that was the pastry.
I see. I knew it from your reaction. I knew that you thought that was.
What's the crepe?
No, dude. That's
Gordon
the crepe.
Ramsay don't be doing that. That's that grease stuff.
Okay.
Getting large.
I didn't think it would come out this big, to be honest.
And the thing about puff pastry is it puffs.
Oh, cameraman thinks it's not puffs. Now, Benzine,
Cooking time.
time to roll it some more.
Oh, what?
You
I
gotta
feel
roll
like that
that
would be pretty
again.
good, but I don't know. You're the chef, man. You're the chef. I'd pop that right in. See, that would be my rookie mistake. I was just like getting too eager. Just pop it right in.
Pop it right in.
What would happen? What would happen if you did? Explode?
It would cook. It would work, but like that, just like that.
Yeah. That's probably like what, over $100 worth of food, easily.
Yeah, way over 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, way over. Probably about 200.
200.
Yeah, $200 right here.
That's. You don't want to overcook it, Floyd.
That's for damn sure.
Looking like a little baby.
Alright, this one's gonna go in the freezer for a second.
Oh, that's what you were talking about.
It's the first time you spending.
Did
you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually do want to try it.
Should I
What do you
show
do?
it?
No, I got it.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. No, what do you do?
So
Why don't you just do
let
it?
me just show you where to start, then you roll it all the way along. Alright, so start it there.
Yep.
Push it down and roll it all the way. Yeah, it's a bit soft.
No, dude. I don't know, man. It's pretty soft. I feel like you should do that, man. I don't want to mess up your only puff pastry, bro.
Put a little Bendine carve on there.
Oh, the custom. Oh, wow.
You won't be able to see it, but
Hey, I like the idea, though. Oh.
God damn.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's looking crazy, man.
Yeah, that's the finishing touch. That's what
Yeah,
you
see,
need.
I didn't know what to expect. I didn't think that was crucial, but yeah, that might be crucial. That's
the,
like the next level, man.
that's that lattice. You gotta get that salt on top so it flakes up.
well, this man's been watching YouTube videos.
Been watching.
It's cameraman.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that thick, that coarse salt.
I thought so. So here's the secret to cooking it, is that, so anyone who knows about cooking meat, you take it up to about 55, 57 degrees.
I don't use Celsius, bro.
Well, I don't, what is it, on Fahrenheit?
Yeah, Fahrenheit, man.
American bullshit.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna guess that's about like 125.
Yeah, 125, I don't know. But I'm going to talk in English.
Okay.
So you take it to...
Real England.
you take it to about, well, normally with beef fillet, you take it about 55, 57.
55?
54.
Hold on a second. Hey, Google. What is 55 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? I said 125?
55 degrees Celsius is
131, okay.
131 degrees.
131. Okay.
131, yeah.
So actually, because it's in the Wellington,
Yeah.
once you take it out of the oven, it goes up to 10 degrees. So
Right.
we've got to take it out at 47.
47. All right.
Yeah.
Like a little bit before, and then it'll keep cooking.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And
Big
Vincey's sick with the hey Google.
Yeah, dude.
And you know what I mean?
See, I know that. No. Don't put that in the video.
You can tell that him and the cameraman are buddies here.
Definitely put
I
I
don't know
don't
that
think
guy.
they got bars.
I don't know that. No, that was lame. Don't put that in the video. It was quick. It was the quickest way, man.
Oh, that going in.
And I'll tell you what, I was very close. Put that part in.
There we are.
Damn, boy. A fruit boy.
Woo! 56. So you know the pastry ain't soggy if you can pick it up like that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, damn.
Moment of truth. Come on. Hopefully it's not overcooked. Prove your chef skills today, boy. Floyd. That is what I'm talking about. Wow, dude. God. Whew. Dang. Oh,
I think that's the best one I've ever made.
Is it? I mean, bro, this looks better than Ramsay's, man. I'll tell you what, because you know what? Gordon Ramsay, we're like Gordon Phony, man. That's what I said. Let me show you. Let me try to give you a quick close-up of this. I don't want to ruin this. I don't have another camera, but look at that. That's just beautiful. That's so juicy. But the top, hopefully you can hear it. It's crispy. All right. Well, anything else we should say, you think, cameraman? Anything else that needs to be said?
Damn, boy. That's so thick, boy.
I'm cutting that out immediately. That's the first thing I edit out of this video.